So, eukaryotic cells have a nucleus enclosed within the nuclear membrane and form large and complex organisms. Protozoa, food like plants and animals, all have eukaryotic cells. They are classified under the kingdom eukaryotic. They can maintain different environments in a single cell that allows them to carry various metabolic reactions. These help them grow many times larger than the prokaryotic cell. So, mo siya ang characteristics sa eukaryotic cells. Una, eukaryotic cells have the nucleus enclosed with nuclear membrane. So, ang prokaryotic, wala siya nuclear membrane. Then the cell has mitochondria. Glandula and cilia are the locomotory organs in a eukaryotic cells. A cell wall is the outermost layer of the eukaryotic cells. The cells divide by a process called mitosis. The eukaryotic cells contain aside. Kaning mitosis mo na siya ang process of cell division kanang divide kanang mura bito cell replicate. Kanang ma-divide yung cell sa form sa another nga red cell kanang daughter cell kanang distinct sa siya mga. Denote siya ang mga naas sa eukaryotic cell na ang plasma membrane. It separates the cell from the outside environment and comprises specific embedded proteins which help exchange substances in and out of the cell. The cell wall is a rigid structure present outside the plant cell. Wala cell wall ang animal cells. Okay? Sureness? Ang animal cell, wala. Okay? Animal cell? Next is the cytoskeleton. It is present inside the cytoplasm, which consists of microfilaments, microtubules, and fibers that provide perfect shape to the cell, anchor the organelles, and stimulate the cell movement. That's the cytoskeleton. That provide shape. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of small tubular structures that divide the cell surface into two parts, the luminal and the extraluminal. So there are two types of endoplasmic rough or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So ang rough ER contains ribosomes and ang smooth ay wala. Next is the nucleus. The nucleoplasm enclosed within the nucleus contains DNA and protein. Next is the Golgi apparatus kana mana. It is made up of a flat disc-shaped structures called cisternate. It is absent in red blood cells of human and seed cells of plants. Then the ribosomes. These are the main site for protein synthesis and are composed of proteins and ribonucleic acids. So ang ribosomes na siya mitochondria. These are also known as powerhouse of cells because they produce energy. So it consists of an outer membrane of lysosomes. They are known as suicidal bugs because they possess hydrolytic enzymes to digest proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids. Plastids. These are double membrane structures and are found only in plant cells. These are the three types of plastids. The chloroplast that contains chlorophyll and is involved in photosynthesis, chromoplast that contains a pigment called carotene that provides the cello, the eukaryotes that are colorless. So, muna ang eukaryotic cell ay
Sắp nữa. Vâng. Ủa này nè. Eukaryotic cell cycle. The eukaryotic cell divides during the cell cycle. The cell passes through different stages during the cycle. There are various checkpoints between stages. Quiescence, CO. This is known as the resting phase, and the cell does not divide during this stage. The cell cycle starts at this stage. The cells of the liver, kidney, neurons, and stomach all reach this stage and can remain there for longer periods. Many cells do not enter this stage and divide indefinitely throughout their life. Kedua is interphase. In this stage, the cells grow and takes nutrients to prepare them for division. It consists of 3 checkpoints. Gap 1. Here, the cell enlarges. The proteins also increase. Synthesis 2 and synthesis. DNA replication takes place in this phase. Gap 2. Their cells enlarge further to undergo mitotic division. Mitosis involves the following stages: prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis. On division, its daughter cell is an exact replica of the original cell. Ano yung Tama niya ang cycle sa kan. Mitotic. Eukaryotic cell cycle. Algae. So kita tanya na pamilya kung bangsa ni algae. Yes. Algae are the plant-like eukaryotic organisms, primarily photosynthetic. Found mostly in aquatic environments. Algae exist in environments ranging from oceans, rivers, and lakes to ponds, brackish waters, and even snow. Algae are usually green, but they can be found in a variety of different colors. For instance, algae living in snow contain colloidal or carolinoid pigments in addition to chlorophyll, and giving the presence of a distinctive red. Multicellular of algae include the giant kelp and brown algae. Marag buntugban ang kuan. Buntugban sa dagat. Ayun na. Samo. Most algae require a moist or watery environment, hence they are ubiquitous near or inside water body. So algae mabuhay na sila sa tubig. Tubig ra, di na sila mabuhay o buhay tubig. Characteristics of algae. Specific general characteristics of algae are common to plants as well as animals. Algal cells are eukaryotic. For instance, algae can photosynthesize like plants and they possess specialized structure and cell organelles like centrioles and flagella. and flagella found only in animals. The algal cell walls consist of manans, cellulose, and galactions. Algae are photosynthetic. Types of algae. There are types of algae.
Red algae.
Oh. Red algae, also called rhodophyta, is a distinctive species found in marine as well as freshwater ecosystem. Pigments phycocyanin and physoerythrin are possible for the characteristic red fluorescence of the algae. Other pigments that provide green fluorescence as chlorophyll are present. However, lack chlorophyll B or beta carotene. Tara, life cycle sa red algae. Una, dire, ito na.
Sperma o
Dara. Orang liso-liso pa niya siya kainahan niya.
fertile.
Matubo gamay, fertilize na niya. May mong karpong niya. Turok na. Clara, istorya mo, turok na. Kaya green algae, wala yung common ng algae. Ay, isa kayo. It is large informal grouping of algae having the primary photosynthetic pigments chlorophyll A and B along with auxiliary pigments such as xanthophylls and beta carotene. Ano siya nakita na sa atin? Ano yung gulaman na green ka na tao? Ako baligo? Okay, mo na yung algae, green algae. Ayun, when I say just green algae to conduct photosynthesis per day. Other species of green algae have a symbiotic relationship with other organisms. Kami ko na kayo mo na kanang silunganan sa isda uban kayo kaon kung nga na isda. Kaya mga kan na marine na sila.
Tulihanan sa isda bro.
Mga life cycle sa green algae. Tanawa. Zygote una. Zygote nga dito na tubo. Sporophyte. Kailangan nag-istorya. Dito na ni.
Pandiri.
Tubo.
Pandiri.
Aday. Dito na ni.
Nakaprogram. Ikaw po
Kasi kailangan. Ang sa gamay.
Ako kaya nagamay rin.
Kasi gamay.
Never kailangan ng progression niya bago mahirap ko. Ugat niya. Muna ko turok.
Sa ugata bro.
Kailangan ko istorya kung ano din.
Sa lagi ugata bro.
Uy.
Wow, nakatanan.
Brown algae. Sa dagat. Brown algae are a group of algae belonging to class Phyophyceae. They are named due to their color. Due to their color which varies from brown to olive green.
Alam mo bakit na sa wala bato.
Nasa bato. Manako sa bato na
Sila na istorya kung sihat.
They are considered the color depends on the ratio of chlorophyll and the pigment fucosante. They contain seaweeds. Some of the notable examples are Ichneumarcus, Pucus, giant caves, Sargassum, etc. Life cycle sa brown algae. Tara, gikan sa adol. Bukan siya siya. Langani na yung mga itlog. Ay, liso. Bilang ko istorya. Ngana, naturok. Not an algae. Blue green algae. Di ni algae. Blue green algae. Not green algae.
Wala yung economy bro. Alam mo.
Kapit kaya sa kuwan. Kapit kaya kinabunto na yung ikuha na yung bakilaw na. Diba? In the past, blue green algae were the one of the most well-known types of algae. However, since blue green algae are prokaryotes, mo din naman siya na-appeal ay kay hindi siya eukaryotic. Prokaryote. They are not currently included under algae because all algae are classified as eukaryotic. Umpak. Also called ecological importance of algae to aquatic animals. Algae are vital to aquatic ecosystem, serving as a primary producer that form the base of the food web. Through photosynthesis, they provide oxygen, food, and energy to a wide range of aquatic animals. Sabta naman yung ecosystem, importante sa algae sa aquatic animals. Sabta kayo? Easy ka yan. Traits! Sabot ang bola. Paano yung traits sa algae? Algae face several threats that can disrupt their ecological roles in aquatic ecosystem. One of the most significant threats is nutrient pollution, often caused by agricultural runoff containing excess nitrogen and phosphorus. Kani nutrient pollution na mga abono daw, ang mga abono na udahog sa mga mga algae na mahigop nila, mamatay sila. Sunod, these nutrients promote algae overgrowth, leading to eutrophication and harmful algal blooms, which can deplete oxygen in the water, creating dead zones where aquatic life cannot survive. O kay umadagkan ang algae kay dinako na sakto. Ay nakuhaan ang karanaw sa nakadagkan hindi na sakto rin. Ang ngayon kuhaan, additionally, climate change.
Delikado.
Climate change poses a major threat to algae, as rising temperature and altered precipitation patterns can affect their growth and distribution. Isa ka ng climate change kay isa ka ng temperature makadawat po sa algae. O ocean acidification caused by increased CO2 levels can also impact algae, particularly those that rely on calcium to form their structures such as coralline algae. Pollution from plastics and chemicals can contaminate algae, impairing their ability to photosynthesize and grow. O apil ang oceanic acidification sa musaka ng CO2 level. O pollution po sa mga plastic. Overfishing and habitat destruction. Apil po ang overfishing and habitat destruction sa threat sa algae, such as the loss of coral reefs and kill forests further reduce the habitat for algae and the species that depend on them. These threats collectively jeopardize the ecological function of algae, leading to cascading effects on aquatic food webs and ecosystem health.
So, what is protozoa?
Wait now.
So, these are the characteristics of protozoa. Habitat protozoa are found in aquatic environment with living in sugar. Some are free living and some are parasitic plants and animals. Mostly they are airwing, but some are anaerobic and synthetic. Human or human existed. And the size and shape of protozoa vary greatly from microbial one to large enough and can be seen by the naked eye. The shape of large foraminifera but have a diameter of 3 days. Then the cellular structure they are having a eukaryotic cells. Then the vision protozoa are eukaryotic and have all joint location. They ingest their food by phagocytosis. Some of the protozoa have a specialized structure called cytosol for phagocytosis. The conclusion, most of the protozoa species have flagella, cilia, or pseudoexodia. Protozoa which can have immunomotor structure and molecular microbes then the life cycle alternates between dormant species stage and proliferating vegetative stage. Example, microphotosynthesis. Then the reproduction of stage. Total life means stage by binary tissue. To dilation, transperspiration or these are the classification and examples of protozoa. One is linked to or modulated protozoas. The other side or living for locomotion, the body is covered by production is division. Mga di sila kumakat sa then number 2 is sarcopenia or voice. Ilipin the motor result is ang voice is sa motor or si the voice side mga sa the conclusion is by Sotopodia, they capture the prey by there is no differentiate chemical in absence. The type of fuel is present in the mobile living motor. Production is the radiation several times morning Number 8 is Porozoa or Porozoas. They are endoparasitic. They don't have any specialized organ for nutrition. The polymer system has information. So, one example sa Porozoa or Porozoas. Number 4 is Eukaryophora or ciliated protozoans. They are aquatic and walk actively with great help from cilia. They have fixed shape covering the report. They have tentacles. For defense called mycosis. They go with the help of cilia. Cilia and the moment cilia also has to take it from the prototype has transformation to form some type parang issue for this cilia They help cycle the gas like nitrogen, phosphate, organic matter which maintains water quality and release carbon groups. Protozoa also regulate microbial fluctuations, controlling harmful bacteria and contributing to ecosystem balance. By feeding on algae, they help prevent overgrowth, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy aquatic environment. So, it was coordinated experience and aquatic qualities. So these are the list of Tutuluwa. Tutuluwa face around its that can disrupt their law and what they need to say. One is po siya mga ugaw. They can change bagay ng mga kapitan. And then nabitan na destruction ng mga kapitan. Wala na information na back by wala na. And then isa, necessary that you distribution of the are crucial for enhanced training children's ability to quality regulation.
So next is the fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms that include microorganisms such as yeast, molds, and mushrooms. These organisms are classified under kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi, yes. The organisms found in kingdom fungi contain a cell wall and are omnipresent. They are classified as heterotrophs among the living organisms. To name a few, the appearance of black spots on bread left outside for some days. Kanang, una siya ay fungi. Kanang itong dito sa pan. O kanang murang mapantos. They are also found in most skin infections that kanang fungi Then structures of fungi. Almost all the fungi have a filamentous structure except the yeast cell. They can be either single cells or multicellular organisms. The fungi consist a long thread-like structure known as hyphae. These hyphae together form a mesh-like structure called mycelium. So fungi possess a cell wall which is made up of chitin and polysaccharides. The cell wall comprises a protoplast which is differentiated into other cell plants such as cell membrane and plasma. So the nucleus is dense, clear, with chromatin threads. Tapos nakapalibutan siya o nuclear membrane. So, characteristics of fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic, amotal, and heterotrophic organisms. They may be unicellular or filamentous. They reproduce by means of spores. The fungi exhibit the phenomenon of alternation of generation. Fungi lack chlorophyll and hence cannot perform photosynthesis.
Mabuhi man ang kwan, fungi.
Pwede siya makatulog. Fungi store their food in the form of starch. Biosynthesis of chitin occurs in fungi. The nuclei of the fungi are very small. Then wala siya embryonic stage, kaya mag-develop or siya gikan sa pore. Pore siya ka na siguro mga mga iso-iso yun. Mga natulahan, yung nasa
Course man ang joke.
Dili ka to nasa
Sa kabang ka kung gagmay ko.
Oo, kanang maglilingin.
Sa anje.
Then sa fungi are parasitic and can infect the host. Then maka-reproduce sila called pheromone, which leads to sexual reproduction. Fungi produce a chemical called pheromone, which leads to sexual reproduction. Examples is bacteria, molds, and yeast. Then the classification of fungi based on mode of nutrition. The fungi can be classified into three groups: the saprophytic, saprophytic, parasitic, and symbiotic. Based on spore formation, helium fungi are classified into the following based on the formation of spores. Zygomys cells.
Ang nagugmay, brains ko rin, right?
Durog yung sa sunflower, baka naman dito yung gusto, foreign brain. Then zygomys cells. These are formed by the fusion of two different cells. The sexual spores are known as zygospores, while the sexual spores are known as sporantiospores. The hyphae are next is the ascomycetes. They are also called sac fungi. They can be coproplus, decomposers, parasitic, or saprophytic. Then the basidiomycetes mushrooms are the most commonly found in basidiomys and mostly linked as parasites. Sexual reproduction occurs by basidiospores. Then the Eukaryotics. They are otherwise called imperfect fungi as they do not follow the regular reproduction cycles. Imperfect fungi. Guys, hindi sila follow sa fungi doing ways sa reproduction cycle sa upat na fungi. Ano na
Yes, yes, sa mga pagkaon, okay.
So, this is the reproduction in fungi. First is, yes, then is developing bud, developing bud, and maturing bud.
Right?
Reproduction in fungi is not by sexual and sexual means. The sexual mode of reproduction is referred to as phenomenon. The sexual mode of reproduction is referred to as anamorph, which is passive reproduction in fungi. This takes place by budding, fission, and fragmentation. Asexual reproduction. This takes place by the work of spores called Conventia or Discourse or Sporangiosperm. Sexual reproduction. This occurs by spores as in spores and the conventional mode of sexual reproduction is not always observed in some fungi. In some fungi, the function of the haploid pregnancy does not result in the formation of a haploid cell. In such cases, there appears an intermediate stage called the eukaryotics. This stage is followed by the formation of diploid cells. This is the fungi. Fungi are one of the most important groups of organisms in the planet, as they play a vital role in the biosphere and have great economic importance on account of all their benefits and opportunities. Following are some important reasons. Recycling, they play a major role in recycling the diet of making food. The mushroom species which are cultured are edible and are used as food biomass. Medicines, there are many fungi that are used to produce antibiotics and to control diseases in humans and animals. Penicillin and antibiotics derived from macumon fungus called penicillium. Biocontrol agents, fungi are involved in exploding insects, other small worms, and help in controlling pests. Spores of fungi are used to spray on crops once spoiled. Fungi play a major role in recycling organic material and are also responsible for major storage and economic process of starch. Examples of fungi. Ecological importance of fungi to aquatic animals. Fungi are ecological important in aquatic system. Due to their roles as decomposer, nutrient recyclers, and symbiotic partners, they break down dead organic matter in essential nutrients to support the growth of plants and algae. which are critical food source for organic animals. Certain fungi like Eukaryotica forms symbiotic relationships with aquatic plants, enhancing nutrient absorption. Fungi also serve as a food source for small invertebrates, contributing to the food chain. Additionally, some could react as pathogens, influencing animal populations, while others help regulate microbial communities and improve water quality. Overall, fungi are essential for maintaining human health and balance in the environment. Trends. Fungi are associated to aquatic animals in several ways, including infections. Fungi can cause infections in aquatic animals, including fish, that can lead to disease and death. Fungal infections can affect fish at all stages of their life, such as adults. Zoonotic infections. Some fungal pathogens that infect fish can also be transmitted to humans, causing a threat to public health. Local extinctions. Fungal infections have been responsible for local extinctions of many species, including fish, amphibians, turtles, and bats. Lack of detection. It can be difficult to detect fungal infection in fish because they don't always have external signs or symptoms. Secondary, layoff of others. Fungi can attack hosts that are already injured from other fungi can infect aquatic animals through direct contact with polluted water or by tearing the skin and mucous membranes. Risk factors like mechanical injury, extreme pH levels, low water temperature, and lack of food can make fish from susceptible to fungal infections.
Mana?
Wala din si Salina si Lorraine.
Dili ba ka ba ni Rose?
Sana anak ba? Kung ano ko diba?
Sana mo. Answer as much as you can.
Meron sa kanan.
Asaman mo ba ka?
Sa mabagamak mana yor apa gamay na rin 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 sinita. Awol. Sabang. Ako. Bay. Sa mabagamak kanya pon.
Jadi,